Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for an English exam. First, thoroughly understand your exam format and syllabus. Knowing what to expect helps you focus your efforts. Next, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. This structured approach ensures you cover all necessary material. Finally, pinpoint your weak areas in grammar, writing, or literature. Addressing these directly will significantly improve your overall score. To master English, consistent practice is key. Regularly write essays and short answers, focusing on structure and clarity. This builds confidence and speed for the actual exam. Also, read diverse texts from fiction to nonfiction to expand your vocabulary and improve comprehension skills. Don't forget to consistently review grammar rules and common errors. A strong grasp of grammar is fundamental for clear and effective communication in your answers. Boost your exam performance by actively engaging with the material. Create flashcards for new vocabulary and literary terms. This makes memorization more effective. Try summarizing chapters and poems in your own words, which helps you process and retain information better. A fantastic technique is to teach concepts to a friend. Explaining topics aloud solidifies your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. On exam day, preparation extends beyond studying. Ensure you get adequate rest the night before. A well-rested mind performs much better. Briefly review your keynotes and any important formulas or literary devices on the morning of the exam, but avoid cramming. Remember to stay calm and read all instructions carefully. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Good luck with your exam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.